Hello everyone, how are you all doing? And a very warm welcome to you all in the fifth day and the last day of our most influential point workshop. Today in this video we'll be discussing our last 6 most important points that are from 25 to 30. Okay, MIP 25 to MIP 30. Let us start with MIP 25 then. Okay, before that, many of people you are asking that when we will receive our certificates. Okay, so as today our workshop will end, right? So within 10 days from today till next 10 days, okay, that is today is 5th of May, then till 15th of May you will receive all certificates one by one. Okay, because we actually manually make it, right? We write each name differently, and then we do send it. Okay, so it will take time as we have more than 500 responses to send the certificates. So please be a bit patient, and definitely if you have followed all the 3 rules, which were if you have subscribed our channel, if you have filled the form, and if you are in any of our WhatsApp group, then you will definitely receive the certificate. If you have not followed anyone, then you will not receive the certificate. Okay, and if you have filled the form, you have done your subscription, okay, like you have subscribed us, and if you are in any of our group, okay, WhatsApp group, then you will definitely receive the certificates. Okay, so give us 10 days and we will definitely send you your certificates. Okay, so starting from MIP 25, the location of MIP 25. Okay, so on our ankle joint, okay, on the internal side of our ankle, okay, so where our medial malleolus is there, just one what we can say, one finger away from that, okay, towards the end of our heel will be this point. You can see the photo properly. Okay, see, if this is our medial malleolus on the inside, okay, and this is the heel, the ending of the heel, okay, like ending of the leg, so just between both of that will be this point. So let us discuss the importance of this point. This is the best point for all kidney problems. Okay, if you are having restless leg syndrome or if you are having numbness, then you can do this point. If anyone, if in female they are having problem of leukorrhea, then also they can use this point. Okay, like any color leukorrhea, that is like white like white discharge they are having, or they are having milky white discharge, watery white discharge they are having, then they can use this point. This is a main point for renal parenchyma and kidney arteries. Okay, this is the main point for renal parenchyma and kidney arteries. If someone is having problem of epilepsy during night, okay, they are having problem of epilepsy, but the main problem, they are like during night the problem increases, then they can use this point. Okay, if someone is having hypersomnia problem, that means they are always lazy, they feel like sleepiness every time, doing anything they feel like sleeping, okay, or they are weak, they feel tiredness very easily, then you can use this point. This point is also good if in male or female they are having sexual weakness. For that also you can use this point. You can treat this point to control your sexual activities, and if you are feeling unsatisfied in sex, okay, unsatisfaction if you are feeling during sex and after sex, then you can use this point. If someone is having phobia of speed of train or phobia of plane, okay, aeroplane, if someone is having that, then they can use this point. This is the specific point of albumin in urine. If someone is having that problem, then this is the great point for that. Okay, so this was our MIP 25. Now let us discuss about MIP 26 point. So this is our thumb, okay, big thumb of big toe of our leg. Okay, so from that side till the ankle joint, the line is going, okay, the side line over here, okay, this will be our point. You can see the photo clearly from our big toe side. If you go like internal side on the side line, then this will be the point towards the ankle joint side. Okay, so the whole line will be our point. Let us discuss the points, like what are the benefits of it. Okay, if you are having high uric acid, high cholesterol, high sugar, high bilirubin problem, okay, then you can use this point. If you are having any kind of blood issues, then you can use this point, okay. Or if you are having, your blood is not very pure, and if you want to make your blood pure, okay, then you can use this point. This also cures jaundice problem, okay. If in kids they are having problem like while eating, while during your lunch or during your dinner, your kids are sitting but they do not feel like eating, then also you can use this point. In adults they are having problem of bloating, then you can use this point. Your stomach is coming outside, okay, if you are having that problem of you, or if you are having varicose veins problem, uterus prolapse problem. In females they are having stretch mark issues, okay, or anus prolapse is there in male or female, in anyone, okay, or hemoglobin is less, there is more phalgum or mucus in their body, then you can use this point. Any kind of testicle issues, okay, especially because they have hurt there, okay, they have got some injury over there, and that is not clearing, and they are having issues of testicles, then you can use this point, okay. This point looks after our quality and quantity of our blood, okay. If in kids they are having problem of jaundice, then you can use this point. And press this point. For kids, please press this point very slowly. Do not give much pressure on that point, okay. Press this point very slowly. This is a good point for jaundice in males, females, or in kids, okay. If someone is having WBC, they are less, okay, or RBCs are less, platelet count is low, then you can use this point. In your body, in places if you are having lump, okay, like I have lump over here also, over here also, here also, here also, anywhere if you are having lumps in your body, then you can use this point, okay. In females, if they are having milky white discharge problem, okay, they have white discharge, but that is not white, watery white, but it is milkish white, okay, then you can use this point. IBS problem or IBD problem, okay, like after food, after eating your meals, you need to go to your washroom, okay, then you can definitely use this point. If someone is having habit to eat chalk, okay, or to eat what we can say soil, okay, if they are having that issue, then you can use this point. Because of diabetes, the lymph gland or lymph is weak, okay, then you can use this point. This point is also a cancer preventive zone, so you can like press one point properly, then press second, like this you can fully cover the area, okay. So like press release, press release, press release, like this you can cover full area if you are having cancer, if you want to prevent yourself from cancer, okay. And like once a person has like had cancer, okay, they have done their chemotherapy, they have done their whole treatment, and they are completely fine. And if you want that the cancer does not come again or does not affect again to them, okay, or the cancer cells does not grow again in your body, do not grow again in your body, if you want that, then you can definitely, you should use this point, okay. This point increases our immunity, okay, it helps to increase our immunity, and it also helps to increase our hemoglobin levels in our body, okay. So this was MIP 26. Now let us discuss about MIP 27. Okay, so MIP 27 location, let us see, okay. So this is our big toe and this is the second toe, okay. So just between that, if you go back side, okay, like this, till this much will be the point, okay. Suppose this is our big toe and this is our like second toe, okay. So from starting from this on the back side till here, if we go, then this will be our point, okay, point number MIP 27. You can see the photo clearly, okay. So benefits or uses of this point, let us discuss that. If you are having any muscle cramps or if you are having muscle spasm, then you can use this point. In females, they are having excess bleeding during periods, okay, if they are having that problem, then you can use this point. It stimulates our Vat and Pitta dosh, okay. Then this point is also called as happy calm point, as it encourages us, it makes us happy, okay, It is also called as a joy creator point. It encourages us to live calmly with our partners. It helps us to stay calm during menstruation period, especially in females. If they are having like mood swings problem, then you can definitely use this point. Okay. For any kind of eye disorders, you can use this point. If you are having pain of migraine, okay, then you can use this point. This point is good for any kind of liver disorders, okay, or if you are having allergy in liver, then you can use this point, okay, or any kind of allergy problem in any body part. If you are having this problem, then also you can use this point. If you are having liver cirrhosis problem, then you can use this point. If you are having numbness in your leg, or if you are having paralysis in your urinary bladder, then also you can use this point. Okay. If you are having cramps anywhere in your body, then you can use this point. Okay. So this was MIP 27. Let us now discuss about MIP 28. Okay. Toe. Okay. On the second toe, on both the sides, on the nail side, like this, on both the side will be our point. Okay. You can see the photo clearly. On the second toe of our legs, on both the sides of the nail, okay, like this, over here will be our point. Let us discuss the importance of this point. This point is the best point for all kind of mouth issues. If you are having any kind of mouth issues, you can use this point, okay, including gingivitis. If you are having, you can use this point. It helps to calm your heart, or if you are having heartburn, okay, then it will help to reduce that. If you are having acid reflux, hyperacidity problem, then also you can use this point. This point is also good for pushing down contractions, okay. So during pregnancy, you can use this point, like while delivery time, okay. This maintains our acid base ratio, as in it maintains our pH, okay. It maintains our acid base ratio in our body. It also helps to like what we can say, maintain our pith in our body. Pain in leg, knee, if you are having, or if you are having voice, okay, there is like tick tick voice coming from your knees, okay, like voice coming from your knees, cracking voice coming from your knees, then you can use this point. Then if you are having neuropathy of your feet, okay, because of diabetes or any other issues, then you can use this point for that. This is also a good treatment for displacement of kneecap, okay, then you can use this point. If you are having calf pain, or the part of your foot is paining or swollen, okay, then you can use this point. So this was MIP 28. Now let us discuss about MIP 29. So talking about MIP 29, okay, so this is our middle toe, okay, like let's talk, suppose, okay, this is our big toe, this is our second toe, and this is our third toe, okay. So the middle toe or the third toe, okay, just on both these sides over here, on both these sides like this will be our MIP 29, okay. This is big toe, this is second toe, and this is third toe, which is also called as the middle toe, okay. Then on both these sides, on the back side of that, on both these sides will be this point, like this, okay. You can see the photo clearly. So talking about the uses of this point, okay, it helps to make your skin glow, okay, it reduces blemishes, scar, stretch marks after delivery, or yeah, after weight loss. If you are having stretch marks, then this will be a good point for that. Any kind of skin rashes you are having, or skin allergies if you are having, then this will be a good point for that. Full skin issues, any kind of skin issues, disorders if you are having, then it will be a good point for that. This point is very good if you want that there should be no lump formation in your body, okay. Like if in your family there is like genetic problem, okay, like your daddy, your mother, or your grandpa, grandma, okay, someone is having problem of lumps in their body, okay, maybe any kind of lump, okay, like fat lump or any kind of lump they are having, okay, in their body, and if you want that you should not get that problem, okay, this is a genetic problem, and if you want that you should not have this problem, then you can definitely use this point as in prevention for all kind of lump problem, okay. even if you are having lumps in your body, anywhere in your body, and if you press this point, then it will help to remove lumps from your body. Okay, if you press this point for 6 months to 1 year, then completely your lumps will go. Okay, do remember that pressing this point for 1 or 2 days or 1 month will not give any kind of results to you all. Okay, this points, we are not doing any kind of magic that it will give you results like very easily. No, you need to what we can say, you need to be patient with it. Okay, as it takes time, but if you do it regularly, then you will not have any kind of side effects. The number one benefit is that. Secondly, what we can say is like, it removes the problem from the roots. Okay, so you will not have the problem again and again while doing any other therapy, especially while doing allopathy or something. Then you will have the problem again and again, can occur again and again. But in this, it will be a slow and steady process. Once you have started, you will feel results a little bit, you will definitely feel results. Okay, and then in last, you will feel a proper great result. Okay, so do be a bit, what we can say, patient with this point. Okay, it helps to remove all kind of cysts, fibroids, stones from your body. Okay, any kind of tumor, if you are having cyst, if you are having fibroids in your body, okay, or if you are having lumps in your body, anywhere in your body, then you should definitely press this point. It will help you to remove that. Okay, so this was MIP 29. Let us now talk about MIP 30. Okay, so again, this was our toe, second toe, third toe, and fourth toe, fifth toe, right? So we have discussed on the middle toe, both these sides. Now ring toe, this is ring toe, just on both the sides of the ring toe, like this on the back side. Okay, this will be our MIP 30. You can see the photo clearly. Okay, let us discuss the points of this benefits of this point. This is the best point to remove fat from whole body. Okay, it helps to increase your energy. Okay, it removes all kind of fat from your body. So if you want to do weight loss, then this is the best point for that. Okay, for doing weight loss, this is the best point. If you are having fatty liver, okay, if you are having spleen enlargement problem, or if your brain has become fatty, then it will help to remove that, reduce that. Okay, it balances our pith. That means if you are having acidity or hyperacidity, then definitely do this point. It also increases our metabolic activity. So what is the main function of this point is to remove fat from your body. This was MIP 30. Okay, so we have discussed our last 6 points today. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Please let us know, and please share this informative video with all your family members and friends, so that they can also get this informative video and they can like help themselves. Okay, and they do not need to go to doctor for every problem or things. Okay, they can do their basic treatment at home very affordably. There is no cost only. Okay, like there is no use of money only. There is like you can do it on yourself, on your own, at your home. Okay, do these treatments daily, you will definitely find the results. Okay, and thank you so much everyone. Once again, I'll just remind you all that for certificates, if you have done all the three, you have followed all the 3 steps, that is, if you have subscribed our channel, if you have filled the form, and if you have joined our WhatsApp group, then you will definitely receive the certificates. Okay, and please give us 10 days so that we can give certificates to each and everyone. We have more than 500 certificate requests. It will just take time to send you all certificates. Okay, but by the time of 15th of May, everyone will receive their certificates. Okay, if you have followed all these 3 steps, we'll basically go and check these things. Okay, and if you have followed all the 3 steps, then we'll definitely send you a certificate. Thank you so much everyone.